I'm about to blow your mind with an incredible method I've discovered that lets you cash in just by watching videos online. We're not talking chump change here. I'm talking about pocketing anywhere from 20 to 80 bucks a day, with some savvy users even hitting the $100 mark. But here's the kicker. I've got a mind-blowing trick up my sleeve that could potentially triple your earnings. Seriously, you'll want to stick around till the end for this game changer. So grab your favorite snack, get comfy, and let's dive into the world of effortless online earning. First up, we need to head over to this awesome website that's going to make it all happen. Don't worry, I'll drop the name later. But trust me, you'll want to watch this whole video to get the full scoop. This site's got all sorts of ways to earn free PayPal cash and gift cards. We're talking Amazon, Apple, Spotify, and tons more. You can make money doing surveys, completing offers, all kinds of stuff. But today we're laser focused on the most lucrative gig, watching videos. The best part, you can access this site from your computer or your phone, so you can earn money wherever you are. Before you start raking in the dough, you'll need to set up a free account. It's super easy. You can use your Google, Facebook, PayPal account, or just your email. Speaking of PayPal, it's the easiest way to get paid nowadays from this site. And pretty much like any other money-making platform we talked about in this channel. If you don't have a PayPal account yet, head over to paypal.com and set one up for free. Once you're all signed up and logged in, you'll see your dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Every video you watch or task you complete earns you points, which you can then turn into cold hard cash. The best part, you only need to earn $1 before you can cash out. That's right, just $1. And trust me, you'll hit that in no time. Now let's dive into how you can start earning. The site's got a bunch of different sections: offers, tasks, and the explore section where you can earn by watching ads. But today we're focusing on the video section. This is where you'll find a ton of different videos to watch and get paid for. You can even pick the type of YouTube videos you like: music, food, DIY, gaming, business, celebrity gossip, whatever floats your boat. Let's say you're into music videos. Just click that button and you'll be taken to a platform where you can watch music videos and earn money. You'll need to sign up on that video platform too, but don't sweat it, it's free and easy. Once you're set up, your account will be linked to the main site, and all the points you earn will automatically show up in your main account. Here's a pro tip. You'll notice there are multiple platforms for watching videos and earning money. Open all of these in separate browser tabs. This way, you can have videos playing on each platform at the same time, maximizing your earnings by raking in cash from multiple sources at once. Pretty clever, right? Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. But trust me, it's legit. I've been using this method myself, and I've seen the cash roll in. Of course, you're not going to get rich overnight, but with a little effort and consistency, you can definitely pad your wallet. Alright, let's talk about some other ways to boost your earnings on this site. While watching videos is the main focus, there are tons of other opportunities to make money. Let's start with offers. These are tasks like downloading games or apps, signing up for websites, or trying out free trials. The site we're using today offers a way better rewards for these tasks compared to other websites. Just browse through the available offers and click on any that catch your eye. For example, you might find an offer that pays over 800 points just for downloading an app on your Android device and using it. Usually you'll get your reward within 24 hours. Just keep in mind that a lot of offers are for new users only, so it has to be your first time using that app or service. The site makes it super easy to find offers that work for you. You can filter them by your device's operating system, Android, iOS, or web. This way, you're only seeing offers you can actually do. There's a huge range of offers available, including some high-paying ones that can earn you a ton of points. But if you prefer simpler tasks, don't worry, there's plenty of those too. To maximize your earnings, try sorting the offers by most popular and focus on the highest paying ones first. This will help you spot the real moneymakers. If you're on a computer, you can install various apps to earn money. On your phone? Install and play games to earn. On Monlix, you'll find a variety of offers. But if you want to focus on watching ads, head to the ad section. Here you can watch all the available ads and earn money for each view. TimeWall works similarly. After you sign up, go to the click section where ads will be shown one by one. You can watch as many as you like, earning with each view. Don't forget about surveys. The survey section offers a wide range of options, from quick 1-minute surveys to longer 30-minute ones. Choose any survey that interests you, answer some simple questions, and boom, you're earning points. These surveys are easy to complete and are a great way to make some extra cash. Now let me tell you about the platform we're using. It's called earnably.com, and it's got an awesome reputation with over 4.5-star ratings on Trustpilot. One of the best things about Earnably is that you only need to earn $1 to cash out. As I mentioned earlier, hitting this threshold is super easy. Once you've got that dollar in your account, just click on Redeem and withdraw your earnings to your PayPal account or another payment method available in your country. It's that simple. Remember, the key to success with this method is consistency. The more time you spend watching videos, completing offers, and doing surveys, the more money you'll make. And don't be afraid to experiment with different types of tasks to see what works best for you. Also, keep an eye out for special promotions or bonus offers. Sometimes Earnably will offer extra points for completing certain tasks or reaching specific milestones. These can really help boost your earnings. Another tip: try to set aside a specific time each day for your money-making activities. Even if it's just an hour, having a consistent schedule can help you stay motivated and maximize your earnings over time. And here's a bonus tip: consider using a separate email address for signing up for offers and surveys. This can help keep your main inbox clutter-free and make it easier to track your earnings and opportunities. Now, I know some of you might be skeptical. I get it. There are a lot of scams out there. But I'm here to tell you, this method really works. I've used it myself and seen the results firsthand. Of course, you're not going to get rich overnight, but with some effort and consistency, you can definitely earn some nice extra cash. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you to hit that subscribe button and like this video. I'm always on the lookout for new money-making methods to share with you guys. And subscribing is the best way to make sure you don't miss out on any future tips and tricks. Also, if you're hungry for more ways to make money online, be sure to check out my other videos. I've got tons of content on different methods to earn cash from home, whether it's through freelancing, online selling, or other creative strategies. Thanks for sticking with me through this video. I hope you found it helpful and that you're excited to give this method a try. Remember, the world of online earning is full of opportunities. You just need to know where to look and be willing to put in a little effort. And that's it for today, folks. If you learned something new and enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future money-making tips and tricks.